Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to take oregano essential oil internally. First, it's crucial to always dilute this potent oil before ingesting it. You'll want to mix it with a suitable carrier oil, such as olive oil or coconut oil. A good starting point is a dilution ratio of 1 drop of oregano essential oil to at least 4 drops of your chosen carrier oil. This helps ensure safe and effective internal consumption. Once diluted, there are several ways to take oregano essential oil. You can place 1 or 2 drops of the diluted mixture directly under your tongue, allowing for rapid absorption into your system. Alternatively, you might prefer to mix the diluted oil into a small glass of water or juice, which can help mask its strong flavor. For those who find the taste challenging, filling an empty vegetable capsule with the diluted oil offers a convenient and taste-free option. When starting, begin with a very small dose, typically 1 to 2 diluted drops, to assess your body's reaction. You can generally take the diluted oil 1 to 3 times per day, depending on your needs and how you feel. It's always wise to listen to your body and not exceed recommended amounts. For specific health concerns, or if you are unsure, consulting a qualified healthcare professional for personalized dosage recommendations is highly advised. Finally, remember some important precautions. Never exceed the recommended dosages, as oregano essential oil is very potent and can cause adverse effects if overused. It's also best to avoid internal use if you are pregnant, nursing, or currently taking specific medications without professional guidance. Always discontinue use immediately if you experience any discomfort, irritation, or signs of an allergic reaction. Your safety is paramount when using essential oils.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.